Hello student, I am Dr. Ajay Kumar Sinha. Now I am going to discuss drawback of Rutherford model. Rutherford nuclear model of an atom is like a small scale solar system with the nucleus playing the role of the massive sun and the electrons being similar to the lighter planetary. Further, the Coulombic force and gravitational force both are similar. According to the electromagnetic theory of Maxwell, charged particles, when accelerated, should emit electromagnetic radiation. This feature does not exist for planets since they are uncharged. Because electrons are charged particles, hence it will emit radiation. Therefore, an electron in an orbit will emit radiation. The energy carried by radiation comes from electronic motion. The orbit will thus continue to shrink because it will lose the energy. Hence, it will continue to shrink. Calculations show that it should take an electron only 10 to the power minus 8 seconds to spiral into the nucleus. But this does not happen. Thus, the Rutherford model cannot explain the stability of an atom. This is the first weakness. If the motion of an electron is described on the basis of the classical mechanics and electromagnetic theory, then what I discussed now, that it will spiral into the nucleus, means this due to this spiral this atom will not exist, but atom exists. It means Rutherford atomic theory that is not explaining about the stability. If you may ask that since the motion of electron in orbits is leading to the instability of the atom, then why not consider electrons as stationary around the nucleus? This question may be asked. If the electrons were stationary, electrostatic attraction between the dense nucleus and the electrons would pull the electrons towards the nucleus to form a miniature version of Thomson's model of atom. Means it will become just like a Thomson model. But that is also failure. Then first weakness or limitation or drawback of Rutherford model is that it does not explain about the stability. What are the other weaknesses? Then another serious drawback of the Rutherford model is that it says nothing about the electronic structure of atoms. That is, how the electrons are distributed around the nucleus and what are the energies of these electrons. that these are the again another weakness. Then these are the serious drawback of Rutherford model. Now next things I am going to discuss, that is the developments leading to the Bohr's model of atom. Historically, results observed from the studies of interaction of radiations with matter have provided immense information regarding the structure of atoms and molecules. Niels Bohr utilized these results to improve upon the model proposed by Rutherford. Two developments played a major role in the formulation of Bohr's model of the atom. What are these? These were first, dual character of electromagnetic radiation, which means that radiations possesses both wave-like and particles-like properties. Second, experimental results regarding atomic spectra, which can be explained only by assuming quantized electronic energy levels in atoms. Then these 2 points, that is the dual character of electromagnetic radiation. Dual character means it has particle nature as well as wave nature. Electromagnetic radiation has two characters. First, it behave like a particle, and second, it behave like wave also. And second, I told you, experiment results regarding atomic spectra, which can be explained only assuming quantized electronic energy levels in atoms. Means between the two energy level or between the two atoms, some gap will be there, some energy gap will be there, fixed energy, that is called quantized. Then now I have discussed about the limitation or drawback or weakness. It has 3 names of Rutherford model. And today, now here only I am stopping. Again we will meet in the next class. Thank you.